News now, and TCS is all set to kick off the Q1 FY25 earnings season with expectations that dollar revenue will pose a slight growth on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Anisha, my colleague, is joining us with all the expectations that the street is penciling in, not just for TCS but also for the overall IT sector. Anisha, take it away.
Well, yes, TCS will kickstart the earnings season for the IT majors, and it's expected to be a subdued set. 1.5% is the expectation of a sequential growth on a constant currency basis. And even if you're looking at the dollar revenue, it's expected to be $7,450 million. That compares with $7,363 million that we had seen last quarter, so up around 1.2%. Margin is expected to come down sequentially. Do remember, Q1 is the time that TCS usually gives the wage hike, so there could be a negative impact of 150 to 200 basis points on account of that, but that would be partially offset by the operational efficiencies that we have seen, the cost rationalization efforts, plus the fact that the currency depreciation and high utilization is expected to work better for the margin. So we are expecting that offset to happen, but nonetheless the margin is expected to be somewhere around 24.5 to 24.7% range. The profitability is expected to come off on a sequential basis. We are working with a number of just below 12,000 crore rupees, and that's because there could be a one-time cost on account of the legal tussle that happened in the United States that might make the company to take a provision on account of that. So that's the only caveat to watch out for. On the top line, of course, BSNL deal has ramped up, but this quarter might be a bit slow because of elections, so that spending and billing might be on the lower side. We're still waiting for a bigger recovery to happen on the financial services, so commentary around that will be fairly important. Deal wins, it's a wide range this time around. Some of the analysts are expecting it to be in the range of $8 to $10 billion. There are others like Kotak which expect that deal wins could be much better this time. $11 to billion is the kind of range that Kotak has penciled in. Overall, in terms of the biggest monitorables, AI is an important thing which is turned from a pilot stage to the revenue stage for a lot of companies. What's the update with TCS? What's the change with respect to the client behavior and discretionary spend? Will this quarter really mark the end of the earnings cut cycle and earnings upgrade will start from here on? These are the kind of things that we would want to understand better from the management. And headcount, of course, has been slipping for the last 3 to 4 quarters. Is there a change in direction there? That's also something important to track. So a lot of factors really playing out. We'll need to see what the commentary is from TCS this time around.
Yes, Anisha, indeed, a lot of factors to watch out for. And of course, that AI factor, how is that playing out in terms of revenue generation for companies? Is that having a significant impact on revenues of these IT companies? That will be interesting to watch out for.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.